Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a skull with a Christmas hat. It's kind of rolling into Christmas season here. I'm also going to even have a couple of Christmas videos on the channel. But anyways, but for now, we're going to draw a skull with a Christmas hat. It's going to be really simple, easy, and completely for beginners. So stick around for the entire video. The video is only about 8 minutes, and that is pretty much it. So let's get started, okay? First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here and I'm going to draw the a line like that for the top of one of the eye sockets. Down over here. Down over here. Curve over here. Down over here. Here. So those are the two eye sockets. Kind of looks like marshmallow style shapes. They're really simplistic. And I'm going to fill it in right here. Go over here and fill this one in. Over here, line up for the top of the nasal bone. Down here, over here, up. And I'm going to fill that in. Alright, you got the nasal bone there now. I'm going to go here on this side, and I'm going to pull a line out like so, almost like a parenthesis sign or whatever you call that. Like a bracket. And this going to be for this cheekbone over here, cheekbone here. Line up over here for the temple, line up here for the temple. Curve over here, curve over here. Up, top of the head. Curve over here, down for the temple there. Line over here for kind of the that area of the lower jaw. I'm gonna pull down here, and I'm gonna curve right here for the teeth. Line over here for the, I'm pulling over here, I'm putting the space between the teeth. Gonna go over here and I'm gonna find the top of the Christmas hat here, the top rim. So it's gonna start on the side of the head, go out like here, over here, out like here. And now we're gonna think of that rectangular form kind of all the way across it. I know it looks like hair right now, but don't worry about it. It's just the tassel. It's that brim of that Christmas hat. It just has that shape. Let's go to the top of the head here. Out. Down. Okay. Go over here on this side. Curve up. In. Over here on this side, out, down for that tassel. And I'm going to try to make it the same texture as this, the brim of that hat. So it's going to be like so. And a line down here for the bottom of the jaw. Go down here, find the chin up here around the corner. Line down, line down, line down, line down, line down, line down. And we're going to draw a small lines kind of around the head here for the brow. See like a smaller, a thinner line. I meant. See a thin line right there. Thin line right there. Not for like an eyebrow per se, but like the thickness of that skull has a shape to it, and that's kind of what you want to do. Curve line here. Line in here, line in here. Line up. Line up. Curve around here. Curve around here. Line over here in the corner. Line around the corner. And then I'm gonna draw in kind of like some curves here for the actual teeth and make them separate entities of their own right there. Kind of gives it more detail. So all these lines are thinner, and they're thinner for the sake of detail. Down here, curve up, curve around the corner. Line here, across. And you can just kind of keep throwing little lines around here, because it does give it, see in between here, even the gums, it gives it this form, right? It gives it this cool form. Line over here. And that's pretty much it. Hopefully you enjoyed that kind of Christmas skull. I want to thank you very much. Let me know what other ideas you want. I'm going to start going in and putting a lot of Christmas videos as well on the channel. Maybe like a little section for it. So absolutely give me ideas and I will let you know. And that's it. Thank you so much. I will talk to you next time, and I will see you very soon, okay? See you later, and I will see you soon. And don't forget to check out the main channel. It's Easy Pictures to Draw, and I have another channel called Easy Things to Draw 101. Alright, see you later, everybody.